How to change Hotmail account password. So if you want to change your Hotmail account password, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can simply go for the search bar and search for Hotmail, or you can also search for Outlook. So it's the same thing. And after that, go for the first search, and here go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your Outlook. And after signing in, now if you want to change your password, then you can go for the upper right, which has your profile icon. Click on your profile and then go to my Microsoft account, and here choose your account, and here on the upper right you will have change password option. So you can simply click on that change password and verify your identity. Simply click on email, and here you will get a code to your email address. So simply enter that code here. So here you have that code, right? So copy this code and enter it here and click on verify, and from here you can change your password. So you need to enter your current password on the first blank, and then you need to enter your new password here, and you need to re-enter your new password. And after that, if you want to change your password every 72 days, then you can click on that, and then you can click on save, and that's it. That's how you change your password on Outlook or on your Hotmail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.